am using my Replica studio, where this studio is adjustable up and down, and this is also on wheels. Yes, you heard me right. You can move this studio around in your home to find the perfect natural light, or even if you don't have access to natural light in your home, no worries, because you can move this studio throughout your home and take your light source with you. If you're using artificial lights, no problem. Just put the light source to the studio and take your photos. Here, I'm going to go ahead and put this beautiful surface right into the slots. And just like that, I am ready to take my photos. Perfect. All right. So again, we're going to do a quick, simple setup just to show you it doesn't take a long time. All you need is a beautiful surface really to enhance your photo. To purchase, go to www.replicasurfaces.com/gotta-have-cake. All right, let's get into it. So for this photo shoot, I am going to actually use my cake stand. It's like a little crystal cake stand, because this reminds me of something very elegant. So imagine for your holiday sales, if you're going to sell red velvet cake, any type of pound cake, any type of specialty dessert cake, breads, treats, anything, candles, t-shirts, jewelry, you name it. Of course you could put that on a cake stand. But anyway, we're going to do desserts. We're talking about desserts here. So you can easily just put your desserts on this beautiful cake stand. So I'm going to add your cake to the cake stand and just take the photo as is. I'm going to let up my shades for the natural light. Again, I'm only using the cake, natural light, and my smartphone, okay? The dessert photography course, I teach you exactly how to achieve beautiful photos of your dessert without having to use a digital professional camera. You can achieve beautiful photos just using your smartphone. Watch. Told you, that's it. If I want it to be done, I'm done. Go and edit this photo, get it ready for publication to the world, website, my flyers, social media. However I want to market this beautiful cake, I can do so. Now I have a beautiful photo, and I literally just only took one snap. That's it. Now I can go, you know me, I like to dress it up a little bit more because I like to add different varieties to the scene to get different looks. So what I'm going to do now is just stage these beautiful cupcakes around the cake stand, and that's it. Keeping in mind, I am adding items that I am going to offer for the holiday, or just if you do content, if you're a content creator and you just want to elevate your photos with a beautiful surface, this is the way to go. All right, I'm going to get eye level to see if everything looks balanced. Okay, and it does, and then I'm just going to simply shoot this photo. Beautiful. Looks like I took this with a digital camera, and I didn't even do any editing yet. Alright, but what I want to do is keep in mind everything in the scene. To me, the surface and the cake stand is grand, okay? So I want to show off the details on this beautiful cake stand. So I am going to remove just one cupcake, alright, so that I can show the details of the cake stand. I'm going to take this photo. Beautiful. Keep in mind, we didn't even edit this photo yet. I'm going to try one more look. Beautiful. And there you have it. We're done. We took a few shots. We're going to go back and do our editing. and get ready to display it to the world so they can place their orders for their desserts for the holiday. This is perfect for any season really, because it not only gives you a Christmas vibe, but you could use it throughout the entire year. Especially if you're doing something with like baby shower. Think about baby shower things like cakes and stuff. If you're doing Father's Day, anything, the possibilities are truly endless. My job is to show you the possibilities. Your job is to go and implement it. If you are not enrolled in the dessert photography course, what are you waiting on? Come and join the fun. Learn how to take beautiful photos like this using your smartphone. I teach you all of the different techniques. You learn about the different lights, the different light sources that you can use for your photography. Again, thank you so much. Until next time.